Hello there. Welcome to my chat room video. This is a video demonstrating a chat room application developed for the purpose of getting enrolled in the Foundations of Software Engineering class. The design of the application is the front end and the back end are completely separate applications that communicates via JSON objects. If we are to look at the code structure to understand this more, this is the server, the main application. Let's say if you want to save a message, if there's a chat message that arrives, it's received in the socket by the new message listener. So this message will be received as data and then passed to this function, save message, which is defined in the chat utils. If we were to look at this message, all it does is save a message to the database and return an error. If there's an error, it returns it. So it basically gives us a promise which says either the operation has been successful or not. So whatever that is returned is received as message in that then clause. So if a message has been successful, it's going to be emitted back. If saving the message has been successful, it's going to be emitted back to the FSC room as received message. If we are to look at where this is received in the front end, so this is the front end directory, it is received in the chat.view as, so these are the socket events. So a received message will be received here and then stored in the front end store, which is like the central state management for the front end part of the application. The choice of applications used is the required development stack. Backend is Node.js as a runtime environment, MongoDB as a database server, and Express as the web framework. The front end uses Vue framework, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, with the Webpack as the module bundler. If for a small demo of the application, if this is maybe a new user and maybe they want to sign up, if you want to sign up, you click sign up, you choose the username. This is maybe Alice. Then you register. So the account has been successfully created. Then you log in. So if there are no messages, the chat is empty. Let's say we have a new person who wants to chat. If this person is also called Alice, and they have to register. Let's say this person also has the name Alice. If they try to use Alice, you're going to get an error that the username is already taken, so they have to choose a different username. So let's say this one is Bob. Register. Now, when Bob logs in, Alice will be notified. So if Bob logs in, we'll see that Bob has joined. And then now Alice can say, hey, Bob. And then, so Bob will see that Alice said, hey. And then she can also say, hey, you know, I'll talk to you later. So these are messages by Bob. That's why it shows up as me. So now Alice will see that Bob said it's been a while. They'll talk later. And then let's say now Bob wants to leave the chat. Maybe he's going to do something real quick. If Bob leaves, Alice will be notified that Bob has left the chat. And now if maybe she says, maybe, are you still there? Still there. The message will be posted, but obviously Bob is logged out, so he won't see it. And then she's like, I'll just also log out. So let's say she also leaves the chat. If she leaves the chat, she'll be logged out. If Bob logs back in, because messages are loaded from the server, he should see the new message that was asking him if he's still there. Obviously, the message is there. Alice said, "Are you still there?" And then he can say, maybe, "I'm back." It will also be posted, but Alice is offline, so she won't see it. She can also log in. Then, if she logs in, she'll also see the message that Bob is back, and now they can keep having a conversation. Good, great. Then this is basically uh, how the application would work. So if this person leaves, you see that Bob has left. She'll be notified. She can also leave the chat too. She doesn't want to. And yeah, the room now has no one. There are no people to chat in the room. That's basically the demo for the application. And thanks for watching.